What if the microwave is just super loud? Maybe the fan is sounding ridiculous or just all sorts of, different noises and things. Is that a
Yeah.
common report?
When we talk about a fan with a microwave, and most of these scenarios I'm given are the over the range microwave, because especially in American households, that's really the most common kind of setup. You have a vent fan that, again, is venting from underneath out through the front. And then you have a cooling fan inside. So every time you turn your microwave on, that fan you hear is the cooling fan. There's usually not a lot of trouble with that. I mean, in 16 years, I think I've only had to replace maybe 2 cooling fans. Typically, what noise you're going to hear is a really loud buzz, almost like a high voltage electric kind of buzzing, loud, vibrating, shaking. That is usually due to a diode and the transformer being bad. Again, that's kind of one of those repairs where it's pretty expensive if somebody comes out. It's dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. And so if you're hearing that, and especially if it's also not heating, if that's associated with about the time you heard the sound, it's, start looking for a new microwave, basically.
Yeah, if it is a super loud buzzing sound, but essentially just to wrap up on that, expensive to hire someone to repair,
Mm-hmm.
dangerous to repair. But
Mm-hmm.
would you say that it's dangerous to the homeowner to continue using it if they don't mind the sound?
I would probably recommend against using it, because that transformer, it's kind of in line with the magnetron. The magnetron, I mean, I want to say it puts out, I wish I would have looked this up prior, but it's something like 100,000 volts of electricity or something. It's a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, anytime you have something malfunctioning in that part of it, definitely best to just not use it.
Yeah, makes sense.